4-step chicken satay. This is a super simple recipe. It does take a little bit of prep, but you can knock this out with this prep done about 20-22 minutes. Maybe I'm giving a couple minutes margin of error. Half a cup of neutral oil. You can use avocado oil. One of the things that I recommend, it's got a higher smoke point, healthier. Fish sauce. I know some people aren't the biggest fan of fish sauce. I get it, the smell. This works incredibly well with it. I have all the measurements literally right at the bottom. It's a little bit extra because we're big eaters. Lemongrass. You can use a whole stalk or you can use a paste. It's what works best for you. I'm using a paste because for some reason I cannot find lemongrass. Garlic cloves. Drop these in as is. Curry powder. You only use a little bit. I'm using yellow curry powder. These beautiful things. It's a juicer. A little bit of lime love in there. And for added bonus, what you're going to do is you're going to take a zester, this beautiful thing right here. Oops. And you're going to zest just about a half a lime in there. Just actually just just a little bit. You can hear it working. Make sure it's clean. Give it a tap. Also, a couple tips. Garlic. You can just buy a regular garlic. It's fairly cheap. This little thing right here is not some kind of fornication device. Use your imagination. But this will peel all of your garlic so it will come out perfect every single time. You cannot worry about this. Now, this is where the prep comes in. This is it. This is literally all that you have to do. Get this prepped up. We're gonna blend this a little bit, make it look pretty, and I'll see you in a second. Here we go with this goodness. Smells amazing. You can see this is a marinade. The longer you let this sit, the better. Got a Ziploc bag, and what you're gonna do is I recommend using chicken thighs, a lot more affordable, more tender, cook faster. Makes this 20-22 minute recipe even faster, even quicker, especially start to finish after this marinade. Give this marinade at least 4 hours to work. So about 1 o'clock here, I'm gonna knock this out. We eat our dinner at around 6, roughly. But let's go ahead and pull those chicken thighs out, get those cleaned up, and get these rolling. All right, so we got a chicken thigh Ziploc bag. We'll make this super easy, easier than what you can even imagine. You're gonna take our beautiful marinade, pour make sure there's no limit the amount of air in there. What you want to go for is no air. Get as close to it as humanly possible. And what you want to do is spread the love. Make sure you get as much surface area of this chicken as you can. In a pinch, you can do this in about an hour. In a pinch. These also are really good for dinner parties. Really good. Then after you do that, it's gonna look kind of like this. Nice, pretty yellow color. I didn't use a ton of curry. I used what I typically recommend. My son's not the biggest fan of it, but he does like it, just not in large amounts. Yours might be a little more yellow, a little more hue to it, but then just let this sit for the next few hours. The next part is super easy, so I'm gonna see you later tonight. Make sure you soak your skewers for at least 20 minutes. We did an hour just to be certain, that way it doesn't burn. You do not have to use a grill for this. This is what the chicken thighs look like. Ooh. After it marinates, you can smell it as soon as you open the bag. Let's get these on skewers. I'm gonna see you in a minute. Now I know right now it doesn't look like much of nothing. Give this a few minutes. These are gargantuan. Don't worry, they're gonna cook down and they're gonna look great. We got 5 massive, monumental, delicious, amazing, healthy, and happy chicken satay skewers about to go down in the grill. Let's take it there. Fresh off the grill, let's get these plated.